Hello there and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can submit a website for Google AdSense approval. And when you're approved, you get to show ads on your website. So it's very simple. You can see I'm on my AdSense here. I'm on my home here. So I just need to move to site here. And then on this page, I add the site here. And then wait for the approval message, and if I'm approved, I'll be able to show ads on this website. So I tap on the new here. I have it copied. Let me just copy and paste. Typing is going to waste a lot of time. So this is the site. Yes, this is the site. So what I need to do here is I just come here and then I add it. So I need to prove whether it's mine. So let me move to next. And then I scroll down here to request a review. That's it, and I'm done. And you can see getting ready. Let me close it. So you can see it's been updated here. They are saying Tafari.blogspot is getting ready. So the approval status is getting ready and it's not found, blah blah blah. So when they approve it, they are going to give me a code, and then I embed it on the website so they can track all my AdSense clicks and the rest on the website. So that's it on how you can add a website or how you can submit a website for Google AdSense approval. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.